So one of the keys to your success is to find a list that says which are the best-selling products on Jet.com. Such a list doesn't really exist on Jet, but on the other hand, such a list does exist on Amazon. So if you go on Amazon, there is an Amazon bestsellers list. With this list, you can find out every single item that is available on Amazon that is top selling in its category. So for example, the first 1 to 20 items that are bestsellers are featured in the toys category, and it goes all the way to the top 100 products that are selling and best selling, and this list is updated every single hour. This is great because you can go and you can check every single day and find out which is the hottest selling toys in every one of the different categories. So it's not just the bestsellers in toys and games, it is bestsellers in arts and crafts, games, hobbies, and so on. Now what we're going to be doing here is pretty simple. We're going to be finding the top selling product over here, and we're going to be looking for the same exact product on Jet. So here we go. I found Hatch Animals collectibles. Those are doing very well, and they are in number 17 and 20 on the top selling on Amazon. So what I'll be doing right now is going to go back to Jet.com, paste this in, Hatch Animals collectibles, and see what kind of items are offered for sale on Jet. And we have a bunch of those different items that are being offered right now. So what I'm going to be looking for is an item that costs at least 35 bucks, and this is great because this item costs exactly that. And remember, anything over 35 includes free shipping to it. Therefore, if I'm going to be buying it at 35, any profit I make between $35 range to the amount that I'm going to be selling is going to be money that's going to be pocketed directly to me. So what I'll be doing is very simple. I'm going to be selling this specific item and selling it for a lot more and a lot higher. So since it's going for 35, 64, I'm just going to add 15 bucks to this. And there we go. Here's the price that I want to sell this for, which is 50 bucks and 64 cents, which means I get my hourly rate of 15 bucks an hour for one product that I'm selling. So if I sell 10 of those and I start to make good money, we can go and keep on doing this and so on. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and see you in the next one.